What are the trains doing?
I play with trains.
Yeah.
It's going to be rock.
Be gentle.
Mommy,
Hmm.
can I break this track?
I guess.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Uh-oh. I need this.
Are you going to build it?
Mommy, no. I don't build it.
Are you putting it away?
No. Two.
Turn your truck off.
I'm not building it.
No.
Yes, we're going to build a bagel track, Mom.
What are you doing?
I want to build a bagel track.
A big old track?
Yes.
You're going to use all the pieces?
I bagel the pieces. Two connected.
All connected?
Yeah. Mom, look, I can show you something. Look at it.
What is it? Show me. What is it?
Cheese with a snake.
It's a snake?
Yeah.
Oh, looky there.
Cheese. Cheese.
It's got teeth?
No. You gotta say cheese.
Oh, cheese. Oh, got it. Thank you. Good job, buddy. You say cheese.
Cheese.
You're such a punk. Love you.
Love you.
Okay, you want me to help you build it?
Yeah, a bagel track.
Okay.